Hey gearheads, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something truly special for all you Nissan GT-R fans out there. Hold on to your seats, because we're diving into the grand finale of the legendary R35 generation GT-R. Yes, you heard it right. Nissan is giving a spectacular send-off to this iconic sports car with two exclusive variants, the T-spec Takumi Edition and the Skyline Edition. Let's get into the details. Celebrating a 17-year legacy in style, the R35 GT-R has been blowing our minds and stealing our hearts for over 17 years. Since its debut in 2007, this beast has been the poster child for performance and affordability, outperforming many pricier supercars on the racetrack and becoming a favorite among automotive enthusiasts in North America. But all good things must come to an end, and Nissan is making sure the R35's farewell is one to remember. Special editions for a special send-off. Let's talk numbers. The 2024 Nissan GT-R limited editions are set to hit select U.S. dealerships this summer, with pricing starting at $151,090 for the T-spec Takumi Edition and $131,090 for the Skyline Edition. But here's the catch. There will be fewer than 200 units available. So, if you want to get your hands on one of these rare gems, you'd better act fast. Honoring talented craftspeople with the T-spec Takumi Edition. The T-spec Takumi Edition is a tribute to the incredible Takumi master craftspeople who meticulously hand-assemble each GT-R VR 3.8 DETT engine. These engines aren't just built, they're crafted with precision, and the red etched engine badge is a testament to that dedication. Plus, there's a gold VIN plate in the engine bay. Talk about attention to detail. And let's not forget the aesthetics. The T-spec Takumi Edition dazzles with its midnight purple paint job, paying homage to some of the most iconic Skyline GT-R special editions. Inside, you'll find exclusive Mori green trim, making every drive feel like a unique experience. But that's not all. This edition is packed with mechanical enhancements, including GT-R Nismo carbon ceramic brakes, gold-painted Nismo raised 20-inch forged wheels, Nismo-tuned vehicle dynamic control, and wider front fenders. It's a true masterpiece on wheels. The 2024 Nissan GT-R isn't just a car, it's a force of nature. Under the hood lies a legend. A hand-assembled, 3.8-liter, twin-turbocharged V6, meticulously crafted by Takumi technicians. This mechanical marvel unleashes 565 horsepower and 467 pound-feet of torque, a symphony of power that thrums to life with a growl from the standard titanium exhaust. But the GT-R isn't just about brute strength. It channels its fury through a sophisticated all-wheel drive system that seamlessly distributes power for optimal handling in any situation. A lightning-fast 6-speed dual-clutch transmission, mounted at the rear for perfect balance, delivers exhilarating shifts, while paddle shifters let you take control and unleash the full fury of the engine. The GT-R's precision handling is legendary. Expertly tuned suspension, combined with 3 driver-selectable modes, allows you to tailor the ride to your desires. Want a smooth, comfortable journey? Choose comfort. Craving razor-sharp responsiveness? Switch to R mode. Each mode seamlessly adjusts the engine, transmission, and suspension, putting you in complete command. Speaking of control, the GT-R Premium features a formidable braking system, co-developed by Nissan and Brembo, ensuring you can stop with confidence. Lightweight wheels grip the road with high-performance Dunlop tires, keeping you connected to the asphalt. For those who crave even more, the GT-R T-spec offers Brembo brakes with monstrous carbon ceramic rotors, normally reserved for the ultimate GT-R Nismo. These work in concert with Nismo-tuned, ultra-high-performance tires for unparalleled grip and stopping power. Reflecting unforgettable scenery with the Skyline Edition. Now, let's shift gears to the Skyline Edition. This beauty brings the legendary Skyline name to the US and captures the essence of Japan's stunning skylines. Finished in Bayside Blue, a color that was retired after the R34 generation and revived in 2019, this edition is a visual treat. The new Sora Blue interior color scheme adds to its charm, making it a perfect blend of performance and aesthetics. While we bid farewell to the R35 GT-R, let's not forget that sunsets are followed by new dawns. Nissan is already looking towards the future, ready to innovate and bring us the next era of performance excitement. The R35 GT-R may be taking its final bow, but its legacy will live on, inspiring future generations of car enthusiasts. So there you have it, folks. The end of an era, but the beginning of something new. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Drop a comment below, and let us know which edition of the R35 GT-R is your favorite. Until next time, stay fast, stay furious.